Oh, yeah. I am so hyped right now because of what's in this package. I need a knife. Oh. So, December 2018, I take a trip to Thailand. And when I'm there, I meet one of the nicest gentlemen I've ever met in my life. And his name, Terry Scott. So, at the time, Terry was living in Phuket, Thailand. And he was fortunate enough to show me around the area. We went to an elephant sanctuary. We had a nice day. While I'm getting to know Terry, he's telling me all about an accident he had years ago. He most recently had the anniversary of the accident where he got in a bad car wreck. I'm hearing all this and I'm thinking that is just an incredible story to hear from anyone. He's telling me how he felt, his visions, everything he saw, and then his new outlook on life. One of the things to come out of that was that he was going to finally pursue his vision of a product that he always had in mind. He took me back to his place and showed me the prototype for it at the time. Again, this was about 1.5 years ago now. More packaging. Right there. 100% owned and operated in the beautiful country of Australia. NEATO, in your zone. Right there. Look at this packaging, huh? And right here, it's got magnets. It's all about that unboxing experience, you know? Beautiful lid in here. Okay. So here's the first view you're going to have of it. And it is a utility tool for any number of purposes. Like a lot of people are going to be using it for working on vehicles, working on aircraft, working on just anything that you want, RC kits, drones. What I see this tool as initial use for me is going to be for video. Figure that out. Got your phone holder right here. Your light right here. Oh, cool. Check this out. Not only that, you don't have to use the light with the system. It's tucked away back here. You've got hooks to hang it. That's smart. Already charged. Check it out. Back up. You've got micro USB there. USB plug. And then this right here is the meat of it. God, this thing's robust. Man. You have your release right here. It's how everything is easily held onto things. So if I just go to the end of the table here and just clamp down, that's it. It's not going anywhere. And you can move these arms in any which way. Let me take this off. And now you got all your attachments. There's these different arms that you can move any which way, and they're very robust and not the easiest things to move around, but you don't want things to be moving. These are supported by a ball joint that you can twist and move any which way and secure for. So this is the magnet for the light. So I'm gonna use the phone holder. So I'm gonna actually set this up kind of like, so I got a magnet on the back of my phone for my car holder. So actually, instead of the phone holder, I can use the magnet board. So what I want to do is I'm going to use the tray, the light, and the magnet holder. So you just go on here, push, and push, and use the tray. And then I would just put my phone here. Whether I'm doing a video or I'm working on my vehicle or working on any number of things, boat, just whatever. You almost have like a mobile vlog setup or quick video setup. So if I put this on the other end, I've got additional light. I can put my script or whatever I'm doing a video on here, or even if I put a magnet on the back of my iPad to hold it, I can put it there. And I mean, for this is an awesome video setup. I can unclamp it and I can move it anywhere I want. This thing is a monster. This is like something like Yeti or Rogue Fitness or someone that like was really into like overbuilt, very durable, strong products would make. This product is going to be useful as hell. Like it's going to be something you didn't know you needed, but now you can't live without.
I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, 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 now trip, trip, trip. Oh, flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces.
So just to wrap up the video, I'm going to go over some of the price points for this thing. Again, I'll put a link in the description to inurzone.com. Not affiliated in any way. I don't receive any sort of kickback. I have the NEATO Mechanics Kit, which is with the funnel you see here. There's also the NEATO Drone and RC Kit, which is going to be without the funnel. That's $279 US. And then there's the NEATO carry case that you can take for traveling with this. Right now, like a lot of mechanics are using it for different functions, more like professional teams and whatnot. So they want to protect this. I mean, this thing's pretty robust. I don't see too much happening to it. So that's it. That is the NEATO by inurzone. If you want to follow him, I'll put a link in the description to his Instagram, put a link in the description to my Instagram, and it's highly inspirational to actually get this product in my hands. Can't say enough nice things about him. And yeah, so if you like this video, go ahead, like, comment, please subscribe, would appreciate it. This is a fun hobby of mine, sharing YouTube, and I'm going to continue doing more and more videos. So yeah. All right, go do something awesome like this guy. Peace.
Flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight.